Hello, I'm Rog, retired researcher, hands-on tinkerer, and someone who's found a surprising new crewmate in artificial intelligence. Over the past year, AI has quietly become part of my toolkit, not just for technical tasks, but for storytelling, memory, and even companionship. Let me show you how. It started with a boat, the modest inflatable, destined for something more adventurous. I wanted to convert it for sailing. Mast placement, rigging, balance, all needed careful thought. So I turned to AI. Not to do the work for me, but to bounce ideas around. I sketched, I iterated, and used AI to refine the design, test sail shapes, and even generate visual mock-ups. It was like having a design partner who never sleeps and never minds my scribbles. And yes, I even asked it to help me create a YouTube logo that felt like me. Playful, nautical, and a little bit cheeky. I've had a bit of fun with voice cloning. Sending cheeky messages to friends, supposedly from famous people, a well-timed comment from Donald Trump or Vladimir Putin. It's uncanny, and it gets a giggle.
Hi there, this is Donald. I just wanted to say that Roger's videos are the best. The best. I think I could have a really great deal with him to make videos for me. If he did it over here in the States, I wouldn't even have to pay one of my own tariffs. So good, really good.
Next came something more personal. I had old family photos, faded, scratched, some barely holding on. AI tools helped me restore them, not just sharpen the image, but bring back the warmth in a smile, the twinkle in a person's eye. It felt like time travel, like giving memory a second wind. And it wasn't just about pixels, it was about connection. One person's photo stood out, a young girl born around 1900. In the images, she's carefree, a moment of lightness captured before life grew heavy. As an adult, she'd developed epilepsy. Back then, that meant isolation. Society didn't understand. She was quietly pushed aside, never married, never fully seen. I used AI to restore her photograph, not just to fix the scratches, but to give her presence. To say, you mattered, you were loved, you had joy. This wasn't about nostalgia, it was about recognition, about reclaiming dignity for someone who deserved far more than silence. And when I shared the restored image, it sparked stories, memories that had been tucked away. AI helped me bring her back into the family narrative, not as a footnote, but as someone who shaped it. But then I wondered, could I use it to hear from family again? Loved ones who've passed on. Could I recreate their voices? Not to impersonate, but to remember. I tried. I fed the AI recordings, fragments, old tapes. But it struggled. The accents, rich, regional, full of character, were too much. The AI couldn't quite catch the cadence, the warmth, the quirks that made them them. And maybe that's for the best, because as much as I wanted to hear their voices again, I wasn't sure it was right. I could make a voice say the things that a loved one would have said. The thing is, they didn't actually say it. There's something sacred about people's words, and something unsettling about putting words into people's mouths. In the end, the decision was taken from me. The voices couldn't be cloned, but the longing remains, and so does the respect. So that's how I've been using AI. Not as a master, not as a servant, but as a companion, a co-creator, a sounding board. From boat design to memory restoration, from voice to sail, it's helped me explore, reflect, and connect. And if you're watching this, maybe you're curious too. AI isn't just for techies. It has potential uses for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Let's see where the wind and the code takes us next. Can you work out which parts of this video were created by AI and which parts were directly from Roger? Please leave your thoughts below. Also like and subscribe.